Hello, everyone. Welcome. I'm Kasey Hughson, your trusted real estate agent from Bluecoast Realty. And today we're talking about the importance of curb appeal when selling your home. First impressions are everything in the real estate world. That's why it's crucial to enhance your home's curb appeal to attract buyers and secure a successful sale. Let's talk about some ways that you can improve the chances of selling your home. The first step is a good old-fashioned landscaping makeover. Trim any bushes, mow the lawn, and add fresh mulch to flower beds. Our Bluecoast Realty agents can recommend local landscapers who specialize in enhancing your outdoor space. Step 2 involves power washing the exterior of your home. A thorough clean can do wonders for your home's appearance, removing any dirt, grime, and mold buildup. Bluecoast Realty can also provide guidance on connecting you with power washing professionals in your area. Step 3 is creating an inviting entryway. Clean up all entrances, add a seasonal wreath, and update house numbers for a modern touch. Our agents can offer staging tips to create a warm atmosphere. Step 4 is illuminating your exterior. Proper lighting enhances safety and adds charm. Bluecoast Realty can recommend specialists to help you create a well-lit outdoor space. And finally, step 5 is tidying up and decluttering. Remove any unnecessary items, sweep the porch, and clean up after pets to give your home a fresh appearance. With these 5 steps, you can transform your home's exterior and make a lasting impression on buyers. Bluecoast Realty is here to help every step of the way. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you sell your home faster and for top dollar. I'm Kasey Hughson. Thanks for watching and welcome to the Bluecoast family.